2019 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, backup camera, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.